Hello, I am Athena Pandin here. So welcome to the first batch of massive open online certificate course in 2023. In the first class, it starts from 17th of April 2023. Everyone knows that, and many of them are registered. In this video, I am going to give some of the few instructions that you need to follow during the time of this course. See, this course will be starts from 17th of April every day except Saturday, Sunday. From Monday to Friday, you have a class of 2 hours per day. The timing of the class is from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Okay. So this particular open online certificate course will provide some of the few things to the biomedical engineers. That is particularly practical exposures. In this 1 month of study, you are going to study about the medical equipment such as C-arm X-ray, mobile X-ray, DIALYSER machine, defibrillator machine, electrocardiography, and the theory of CT scan, MRI scan, PET scan, SPECT scan, patient monitoring system, infusion pumps, syringe pumps, suction pumps, physiotherapy equipments, ophthalmology equipments. All these particular equipments are included. This course is actually framed for making the curiosity about what actually the biomedical equipment is. That is why with the low cost of price, we are introducing this particular course. Everyone should know about what actually is required. In this video, along with this instruction, I am going to give some of the rules and regulations of as every biomedical engineers, those who are registered for this course will be followed this instruction. The first thing, the classes should be from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Everyone should be there on the particular time. You must be give concentration, you must be give attention on what the trainer is taught about the equipment. At the end of the session, for example, the class starts from 7 p.m. sharply. At the end of the session, it may be a 9 or 9:15 or 9:30. At the end of the session, in the Google Classroom, you have a link, that is Google Form links. In that form is called actually the review form. The day 1 review form, day 2 review form, day 3 review form. In that, 10 questions are there. There are 5 questions. The first 5 questions belongs to the 2 hours what the trainer is taught about. The questions belongs to the 5 questions totally belongs to what you learned in the past 2 hours of study. And the next 5 questions are general questions. What about this training? What about your feedback? What you are learning in this? Like that, every day you are getting this particular review. And that review will be closed within 10 minutes. Once the session is getting over, then after that, within a fraction of a second, your Google form will be posted in the Google Classroom. And in the Google Classroom, within a 10 to 15 minutes, you need to fill the form and submit it. The marks is also calculated. That is most important. And most importantly, in between the session is going on, the trainer will ask some of the questions to the participants. Randomly, they call the names and ask the questions. This is the reason why we are indulging this particular thing is your presence, your activeness is most important. That is what we are introducing. And at the same time, the second point is the participants, those who are participating in this MOOC, need to prepare a report. That report includes what all the equipment you crossed over. The format of the report will be posted in the Google Classroom on the first day onwards. And you need to prepare the report each and every day. At the last day, you need to submit the report, soft copy report, the 30 days what you learn. what are all the equipments you learn, what are the some few descriptions about the equipment. Like that you need to prepare and submit it. And finally I included one point as the attendance are calculated through the review forms. So the reason behind all this instruction is we are providing this course with a low cost, and that particular thing should be going for every biomedical engineers. The biomedical engineer should get knowledge on that, not simply for the certificate purpose. You are not supposed to be. All these instructions are most important, you need to follow. Then only it gives some of the curiosity and also some of the thing you learn for your future is acceptable. So thank you very much for this listening of this video. And if you have any kind of the clarifications, you can able to ask through the Google Classroom. And most importantly, if your friends and all the other members, if they are interested towards in this mock, you can ask them to register and participate in. Okay, this is particularly for sharing the knowledge to everyone. That is what in the cheapest price we are sending this all these kind of the events to biomedical engineers. Thank you very much.